So I'm going to let you in on a little secret. There's really only one tool that you need to define your short natural hair every single time you do a wash and go. And it is this baby right here. It is a 3-row styler comb. When I tell you, this is the only thing that I use to get super, super defined curls for my short natural hair. And guess what? I'm going to show you how to use it. But first, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button. So I just got out the shower. Hair is freshly washed. I've already applied my leave-in just to save time. And I'm using my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. I will link all the products down below. So I'm going to move really quickly because I'm going to do the sides of my hair. I always style the sides of my hair first. And then we'll, go in and I'm going to show you how to use the 3-row styler. I style in sections. I always apply the product to the hair first and smooth it through. And then I'm going to take my 3-row styler. I comb it out just to make sure it's nice and detangled, and then slowly, bam. Do you see that? Now, usually I'll go in and redefine, but for this video, I just want to show you guys how well it does it and defines it on its own without anything, without, any added extra help. I put some product and then I'm just going to comb it and then boom, pull it down. Again, comb it to make sure it's detangled, boom, pull it through. So what I'm doing is kind of sort of a sweeping motion with the styler to help really get those super, super defined curls. I usually do a side part, but I'm not doing that today for the purpose of this video. So again, rake it through, comb it to make sure it's distributed, and then bam. Do you see that? Let me give you guys a close-up of the definition. I need you to see the definition. Do you see that? Of course, the edges look a little messy because I haven't slicked down my edges, but you guys get the gist, right? I really just want to focus on the front just to show you guys how well this really defines. So again, applying product, combing it through, and then poof, that's it. It's really that simple. This literally does all the work for you. You don't have to do anything. If you want, like I said, like I normally do, I usually go in and, separate for added definition, but you do not have to do this. I just like super, super, really defined curls, and I'm also obsessive compulsive. So I like to have, nice, neat little sections. But when I'm in a rush, boom, I will just do that and that's it. Styling my hair like this, you will literally have me out the door in 10 minutes or so. Because like I said, I'm not going in and, finger coiling each section. So again, applying a product. Boom. Do you see it? Y'all see how easy that is? Look at that. Do you see the curl definition? And I'm combing everything back because today I'm going to wear it kind of sort of standing up instead of doing my usual little side part. Again, just applying the product, smoothing it through, taking the 3-row styler, combing it to make sure it's nice and detangled, and also to distribute that gel. Bam. I'll do one more section and then I will finish the rest of my hair off camera and I will come back. So again, just applying product. I also find that this doesn't, this also works on long hair too. I use it on my daughter's hair is, down her back, but I feel like this is like a short haired natural's dream. So let's just do one last little section before I finish the rest up off camera and show you the finished result. Apply the product to the hair again, and we're going to go through. And my front has a much more loose curl pattern than the sides and the back, which is why I usually go in and finger coil. So now I'm going to go and finish the rest off camera and I will come back and show you the finished result. My hair is completely dry. I just diffused for about, 10 or 15 minutes or so. And here is a close-up. Curls are super defined, only took about 10 minutes or so. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, make sure you guys hit that like button. Of course, do not forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you do not miss a video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.